What is compression? Raster compression, image compression. Compression means to make it smaller, to squeeze it. Why do we do it? You are going to leave your country or to your friend. Now you want to carry a bag. That bag is having a capacity, limited capacity. Now you want to put everything there, whatever you have. So what do? You put everything and then you press your bag, then you chain it with all the pressure. So raster is a grid. It's a two-dimensional representation of the digital values or brightness values that corresponds to an image. So raster compression, the primary benefit of compressing your data is to reduce the size of the file to help save disk space. So a raster has certain information, and this information may be redundant also, repetitive also. So why not to use this redundancy or the repetitiveness and shorten it? So the added benefit is greatly improved performance over a network, because you are transferring a reduced amount of data. You are placing it into some disk and also transferring it. Because previously we were just keeping it in some hard drive or somewhere, pen drive. But now you are sending it also. So compression is helping you in many ways. First of all, you are compressing it, making it smaller, and then you are keeping it with lesser size, and then you are sending it on some network that has, say, smaller bandwidth. And then there is an added advantage also, that the application of software which is rendering it also is not putting so much effort to handle it, because if the data is large, it will have some problem. So data compression has various methods. There are two main methods: lossless method and lossy method. So for example, if you want to put pant, shirt and say your shaving kit, so when you apply the lossless method in all these, you will always get your pant, shirt and this shaving kit. There will be no loss. Run length encoding is simply when you have, say, some numbers repeated. For example, you have 75, 75, 75 every time coming. What you can do? Put 175 and then just put the frequency number. How many times this 75 is there? It is not always that it is 3. There are thousands of pixels, So LZW, Lempel, Zipwelk, Huffman, run length, these are all lossless. But when you compress with lossy, pant, shirt and shaving kit, you will lose either shirt or a pant. So the loss will be there. It is irreparable. A JPEG, MPEG, MP3. So this is a technique. Image compression is a technique where the size of the image is minimized by keeping the quality of the image to an acceptable level. You cannot just reduce that the image is not seen properly. The main idea or objective of this image compression is to decrease the redundancy of the image, which is always there in that image. And we can increase the capacity of the storage, and then in turn we get a very efficient transmission also.